What is up, my FabFit fam? Welcome back to another video. Just chill. We are hopping into this video. Actually, I need to get my phone. 1 second. So, I just thought to do this video because, you know, your girl loves shoes, for one. And I just love seeing collabs and how artists and celebrities and influencers kind of create or come up with the idea of what they want the shoe to look like, makeup, clothes, whatever. So I saw that Miss Selena Gomez, that's her name, right? is doing a collab, or has been doing a collab with PUMA. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, she had a collab already with them, but she has a new collection coming out this winter, and I'm not sure if you guys have checked it out, but I will try to insert a little clip here of like what the collection is looking like. I saw her take over PUMA's Instagram story and kind of show like what is to come, and I must say that I am loving the collection. I am just here for it, and I really want to get my hands on it. I've never been like a huge PUMA fan, but I don't know. It's something about the style that, like, I'm just looking at the different pictures. Like, something about the style and just like the casualty of it. You know me and my athleisure. I love it. I am all for it. Excuse my, I don't know what is going on with my lighting right now. Like, can you get it together? Anyways, yeah, so I just want to come on and pop on and say I am here for this collection coming out this winter. So Selena Gomez has a few different collections, collabs with PUMA. She has this new, or she's rocking the Defy, which is one of their athletic lines. Yes, so it's coming out in the winter. I know they've been doing a few different like sneak peeks and things like that of some shoes and a few of the outfits, and I just am curious as to know what your guys' thoughts are. What are your thoughts on like celebrities, whether they're actors, actresses, singers, comedians, any of that, when they collab with something that doesn't necessarily have to do with their field? So like an actor collabing with like a makeup brand and coming out with their own makeup, or, you know, things like that. Like, what are your thoughts on that? Like, me personally, I think it really depends on that person. I mean, sometimes there are celebrities that collab with certain like clothes or makeup, and it just kind of makes me go, what? Because I'm like, they have nothing to do with this industry, so what knowledge do they have? Are they really just big fans, or is it just because they have the face and the money? Like, what is it with that? I'm very curious to know, like, what are your thoughts on that, because it just always throws me for a loop. Now, some, I will say, I can understand. Like, I'll use Rihanna and her Fenty brand, for example. Like, in the beginning, I was just like, okay, you know, she's a celebrity. She can, you know, when she did that collab with MAC, like, okay, that's like her color, like ruby red, because like, or ruby woo or whatever, because that's like what she, you know, always wore. And, you know, she's an artist at the base of it. She always has to wear makeup, so she's very familiar with it. So when she came out with her own line, to me it just kind of made sense, because she knows the struggles of like finding a good product, probably for her skin tone, and she has a vision. She always has to wear makeup anyways for her shows. Doesn't have to, but she does. And so it makes sense, like, as an artist, you know, using your artistry in a different field makes sense. But when like certain celebrities just jump on like clothing labels or makeup or shoes, it's just kind of like, are you really into this? Is this really something that you love, or is this something that is just because you've got the face and it's going to bring a lot of money to that company. I don't know. I'm curious to know. Yeah, so I just wanted to bring this attention to you guys if you didn't know already about this collab coming out. If you are a shoe sneakerhead collector, lover like myself, if you are a Selena Gomez fan, then you probably already know because you follow both of these spectrums, both of these platforms. And yeah, but if you didn't know, what are your thoughts? Do you think it's like, why? Or do you think, yeah, that makes sense? For me personally, the Selena Gomez and the Puma, I think it does make sense in a sense because I know that she's had some health issues, and yes, Puma is just a shoe or an athletic brand, but I think like her view behind it and goal behind it, I think is the reason why it makes sense. So that is all I want to pop on here and show. Yeah, if there are other videos like this you want to see, or you want to see like what's the newest thing coming out, the newest collab when it comes to like shoes or makeup or fitness gear or things like that, if you like that, let me know. Thumbs up, it's always great. Subscribe down below. If it's red, that means you're not. Why not? Join the family, become a part of the Fit Fab fam. I need to get a shirt. That's what I need to get. I need to get some merchandise. Get a cup that says Fit Fab Fam. Oh my gosh. Get a cup that says Fit Fab Fam. Right? Get some merchandise. Would you guys purchase merchandise? Would you? Let me know. That would be great. I would love to do that. You know, just see who my little tribe is. Build a tribe. And then leave me comments of whatever else you want to see from me. And welcome to the block party. Just kidding. Alright. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.